Good morning, official family. Welcome back. Welcome back on this lovely Monday morning. Let's make sure we stretch. Let's make sure we sip our water. Let's get straight to it. If you haven't already, check out the trading summary that I posted for September. If you're serious about trading, check it out. There's a lot of good lessons in there for you. Okay. Those who are not serious about trading, don't waste your time to watch it. Waste your time watching clickbaited stuff from people who never post live trades in real time. Continue doing that and you will continue being in the same spot you were last year and the year before that and the year before that because you've been watching them. All right. Straight to GJ. We're going straight to GJ. All right. So, daily candle is bullish so far. Does look like we are headed up towards this resistance area. Okay. I just want to see how far away this is. About 111 pips away. Okay. Sounds like the music's too loud. Is the music too loud? Alright, I'll try to keep it like that. It's fine? Oh, okay. Yeah, so I mean the 4-hour candle closed bullish as well. The current candle seems like it's having trouble breaking the previous one, right? So let's go down to the 1 hour. Oh, we're ranging. All right, there we go. We're ranging. Makes sense. It makes sense. Just corrected my zones. All right, let's check out these sessions. Asia highs are here. London highs so far here as well. London lows so far down here. And Asia lows are way down here. Okay. All right. Well, nothing we can do about it. I mean, it looks like between 1 and 2 o'clock, she got some heavy volume to push up. And after that, she just started to consolidate. So not much we can do but wait for some volume to come in here. Just curious to where those bank zones are. Okay, we're playing on top of one. Nice. Alright, so I'm going to leave GJ like this. Short and sweet. wait to see how she acts. She is on top of that bank zone. So let's see how she closes. If she closes bullish or she closes bearish. I mean, she's got about 3 minutes left. So let's move over to gold. Let's go straight to it. Same thing, right? It's headed up towards this resistance area. If you go on the 4 hour, you can see that we previously ranged in this area, right? So you can see how we are ranging in this area now. So no surprise. No surprise at all. I do want to point out that this bottom wick on this 4 hour candle did seem to test out these lows again. Okay, this wick right here. So let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. Wow. Choppy, 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 rangy. Well, I tell you what, if you didn't know, it's NFP week this week, so we do expect there to be ranges in NFP week, of course. So this price is building up for it, right? So that's going to be this Friday, by the way, just in case you didn't know or in case you forgot. Jeez, gold. I just feel like it's going to range all day, honestly. Let's see. I'm just gonna put 2 zones up here just because of the way gold is behaving. Yeah. Alright, that looks good to me. Sessions. Got Asia highs up here. London lows and Asia lows. Down here. That's pretty much all we got right now. Check out those bank zones real quick. It's gonna be a slow day. Alright, I'm gonna leave this like this for now. We'll keep this up here for probably about an hour or so. Then we'll probably switch and do an analysis on US30. Okay. As far as our summary, check out yesterday's video because I gave a summary of the month of September. We are now on a fresh month, people. Yes. We're on a fresh month now. Everything says 000. The only thing that you're gonna see here that is updated is right here, right? Lot sizes. Remember, we are counting the lot sizes for that bonus. We have to hit 1250 lots to withdraw the bonus. So we are at 12.65. Okay. So fresh month here. All right. I think it's time for me to switch it over to the MT5 screen. Alrighty. Let me just remove some of these things. Alright, there we go. Trying to move my other screen over here. How can you get things? By reading the description. Honestly, I kind of feel like I'm gonna move this over because I feel like we're just gonna range. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna keep GJ like that. Gold. Yeah, so we keep it like that. It's gonna be a toughy day. All right, I'm gonna pull up the chat now. I haven't been looking at the chat this whole time, to be honest. Good morning, Lorena. Vase says, what's up? It's a bank holiday in Germany today. Oh. Excel sheet, link in the description. Milo, good morning. Nana Lana, good morning. Lamel. Haha, I see you. See you, Lamel. It's not official without a like. Appreciate that. Calvin, I'm going to ask you to check out the recent video that will explain the balance. No earning without learning, yep. So this is what we'll do. I'm going to switch you over. Right here, I explain everything right here in the beginning. So you can check out yesterday's new video. That will explain the balance. Month 1 summary. You'll see how we started. Makes sense. Boom. I just put the link in the chat for you. So if there's anyone out there that's confused about the balance, click that link. Amanda, hello, good morning. Aurelio, good morning. What do you expect on GJ? Rewind the stream. I just did the analysis. Mohammed, good morning. What's up, Godwin? High Impact Newsletter? Yes, I think at 10 o'clock. Right, 10 o'clock, I believe. We got that news coming in. Hey, we may not get volume till 10 o'clock, actually. I won't be surprised. We'll see, though. I am looking to take a peek at US30 before the news, but we'll see. Yeah, just ban that person almighty. If they can't come up here with manners. It's not how you speak to people. Look, when y'all come into the chat, just because you typing on the internet, okay? You typing BS on the internet already tells us how you are as a person. Trust me, you're not outside. We know that. So don't come up here being disrespectful. Come up here with some respect, ask your questions, use appropriate language. It's not that hard to do that. I don't have to have my camera on helping y'all. I can just be with the members. Me and the members and the moderators and the admins can chill by ourselves. You know what I'm saying? Thug Life keyboard, yeah. Twitter fingers, as they say. One more person and we're switching it over. Because I'm not going to have the mods babysit the whole time. They can't even enjoy the stream. I'm going to let the mods enjoy the stream. Turning hoodie season in the AM afternoon, back blazing. Tell you what, it's cold over here. It's pretty cold. How's the weather? It's freezing. Like, it's literally like my fists are like, they feel like ice. It went from a nice hot summer to boom, October. Usually when October comes here, it gets really, really cold. Really, really windy. But hey, at least it's not snowing yet. You know, the snow looks pretty, but when you have to deal with a lot of snow, it's a lot of work. You know, I ain't got time for that, which is why I'm moving. Amanda, love your work. Appreciate your time. Appreciate that, Amanda. Good morning to you. Sergio, good morning. I became a member last week. Last Thursday after you switched over to members only, I was not able to get it. Sergio, you're not a member. If you look at your name in the chat, you do not have a badge. So something must have went wrong with your transaction, or maybe you're signed into the wrong account. Do you have multiple accounts? Sometimes we get people who sign into the wrong account. If you look at your name here, you're not a member. You hate the snow, Igor. Hi, Freddy. At least it ain't flooded. Yeah, you're right. You're right. What's the temperature? I don't know. Let me check. I don't even know what the temperature is. I'm going to assume that it's in the high 40s or 50s. $46. It's 46. So it's like when you go from summer, when you go from like 90 degrees to 40 degrees, it feels cold. But then like when our winter season's over, because we get down to the negatives here, during the time it's winter season, 30 degrees feels hot. So right now it feels freezing cold, but this time when it's this temperature next year in like February, March, it's gonna feel like it's hot. So it's just like your body getting used to it. It's so weird. If you live in the Northeast, you know what I'm talking about. If you live in the Northeast, right now it feels cold, and then in 2 months this temperature is gonna feel hot. Shoot, in the Northeast, when the snow starts to melt, it becomes even when there is snow on the ground, once it becomes like 40 degrees, people be acting like it's summertime. But right now, going from 90 degrees to 40, it feels cold. So it's funny. 13 degrees Celsius. Oh, 55. Terrence, good morning. No snowboarding. Anyone else out here snowboard? That's cool. I've never gotten to try that yet, but there's a lot of places out here that have that. Hate the cold too. That's why I moved to the DR. But I'm actually wearing a hoodie this morning. Hey, I'm still gonna be wearing a hoodie when I move. What are benefits to becoming a member? When you click on it, it lists everything out for you. I'm not gonna read the list to you. You can't get away with shorts no more here in Europe. Bacon, you love the snow bacon? Trust me, when you have to deal with a lot of snow, it's different. Don't get me wrong, it's pretty. Snow is pretty and all that, it's cute. blah blah blah. But we get a lot of snow over here. It's not like a little bit of snow. You know, we may get 12 inches of snow in one snowstorm, and you gotta move that snow around. You become a slave to your driveway. You gotta shovel out your driveway, shovel out your street, and all that. Like, you know, the plows don't do anything. And then we got people who already can't drive when it's nice and sunny outside. Can you imagine them driving in the snow? Oh my goodness. I mean, I live in the Northeast, so most people here know how to drive in the snow. But there's a specific amount of people here who can't, and it's, oh my goodness. You gotta leave way earlier to get to somewhere because you're gonna be stuck behind someone. (33°C today? Greece, it's 82 degrees? Really? I ski, more specifically travel to cold places to ski. Oh, really? See, that's cool. I gotta try that. We have the same temp here in Aussie, Bundaberg as Hawaii. I think GJ is still in the triangle pattern. I think GJ may form a triple top here. Wait, what screen do I have you on? Okay, I got you on the right screen. All right, this is gold. Well, gold too, but I almost feel like we're doing this thing, right? Kind of feels like it. I'm just going to turn on the bank zones. For those who are new, if you see my bank zone video, I'm going to remove my face so you can see it. In this corner over here, we got the bank zones. I have not released this software yet. Still working out a few bugs. But when I turn this on, you'll see that we do have the bank zones on the MT5 now. So yeah. Pretty cool. Got the official zones. You know it. I will say this is very interesting to me that we did close above this bank zone, and now it looks like we wicked down and we're rejecting it. We're closing in about 10 seconds here. I could possibly see the next candle continuing. What, maybe a 7 pip stop loss for closing above here? That's what it looks like on the 30-minute. This is the new hourly. See on the 5-minute again. Okay, it's gonna small stop loss here. And we did close above that bank zone, so up about 6 pips, 7 pips. Up about 8 pips, 11 pips, up 10 pips. I'm gonna close 80% and just let it go, just because we have a rangy, choppy day, and that will account for the stop loss here. So you can see we closed $20, which should account for 9 pips. At a 1 would be $9. So if we hit stop loss we're only gonna lose $9. Okay, so like I said, close 80%. I don't know why it said 11 pips, but we only made 21. You would think we would have made 40. That's a little off. Again, I was looking at the pip counter, not so much the profit. But we made $21, so if we lose $9 on this, then what's the worst case scenario here? $12 profit. So it's kind of like a risk-free trade at this point. I thought we may shoot up towards that resistance since we had a weak bearish closure there. I know it happened pretty quick. I had just spotted it. Yeah, so the account that you're on right now is not paid because you don't have a membership badge. So it's probably your other YouTube account. But other than that, I mean, the mods can help you if you create a ticket in the Discord. We'll be able to help you. But other than that, it'll be pretty tough to help you. So my suggestion is to create a ticket in the Discord. Not that hard to read, y'all. All you gotta do is read the stuff in the description, just like you do on everyone else's videos. Alright, when you want to find something, y'all know how to figure out how to read it in the description. It's the same thing. Loving the music? Oh, thank you. Best way to do it is to join the Discord and to create a ticket so we can help you. It's very difficult to help you in a YouTube live stream. So if you truly want help, you're gonna have to join the Discord and create a ticket. What I'll do right now is I will place that here. To the rest of you, if you create a ticket asking about the benefits, we're going to take it to read. So that's kind of how it goes. Because if you're not capable of reading, then you're not capable of performing in the Discord. So there's no point, right? So I did pin it to the top of the chat there. So those who are just joining, this went up about 11 pips and I closed 80%, but the counter said 11 pips, but it counted it as if we closed at like half of that. So that's a little odd. So anyway, instead of running a 0.5 lot, now we have a 0.1 lot running, which is $1 a pip. So our risk is 9 pips. So the most we would lose out of here would be $9, and we already secured like 20 something. So it's pretty much a risk-free trade. We closed above our zone here twice, this bank zone. So that was pretty much the theory behind this. We got about 9 minutes left. I'm sorry. We got about 9 minutes left for this candle to close, and the next candle will enter there. Said, can you see the triangle break Yeah, yeah, it does look like it's forming a triangle pennant. Yo, I could see that. Yep. After how many losses should I call it a day, losing 1% per trade? I would cap it at 2. I wouldn't go no more than 2. Yeah, I'd cap it at 2. Man, this is a long 15-minute candle, eh? That's what it looks like on the hourly. Looks like the hourly broke through 30-minute. Well, mm, 5-minute looks interesting. Would you advise someone to pay $99 for a prop firm 2K account? Why would you pay $99 for a 2K account when my Forex funds is $84 for a 10K account? Said sound is fine. Alright, let's see the history here. Unless $7 instead of $9. Interesting. Alright. So plus 14. Let's see.
Start your podcast with Anchor by Spotify.
Okay, let me switch. My fault. Okay. What price do we open this at? $14.74. Not much to talk about there. Alright, let's switch you back over. This reversal. Appreciate that, Jason. Welcome, welcome. I'm just clearing this off from before. Oh, you know what? Why does this screen keep popping up? Let me see. Oh, this. Okay. Let me turn it off. There we go. Okay. Alright, I fixed that one. Okay. Sorry about that, y'all. I had to fix some settings. I can pull up the chat now. Advice: should someone take the accelerated or the evaluation? My advice to you is learn how to solve your own problems. Advice would be weigh out the pros and cons. Not that hard, y'all. If you can't weigh out the pros and cons to decide something yourself, then you're probably not ready to take it. It's a good sign that you're not ready. So that's all you got to do. Weigh out the pros and the cons. People who are successful in life are not waiting for other people to tell them what to do. They weighing out the pros and the cons, and they doing their thing. I did look again. There's no account for 10K. That's $84. What did they change the price? They changed the price on the evaluation. So you're telling me that you clicked on the evaluation on my Forex funds and you scrolled down and you saw the different accounts and you didn't see the 10K one? That's what you're telling me. You put in that much work. I don't believe it. Let's see. Let's see how much work you put in. Let's put in the work that you should have put in. Let's see. Let's go to myforexfunds.com. Let's click on evaluation. Oh my God, it's so hard to do that. Let's scroll down to the different accounts that they have. Let's see. Where are they? Where are they? Keep scrolling. Don't see them. Oh, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000. This must be the different accounts. Okay. Let me see. Refundable registration fee. Okay. The 5K is 49. The 10K is 84. Wow. It's amazing what happens when you try something. That's crazy. $49 for the 5K. Yeah, $49 for the 5K. All right, let's see here. GJ closed bearish below. Lance, good morning. Hourly flipped bearish as well. Want some nice hot coffee. That's what I'm feeling like right now. Nice hot coffee. Can you retry if the rules are violated? No. So if you violate the rules, then you can't retry now. The only way to retry is if you are above the starting balance. So let's say you're doing the 10K and I don't know, let's say you're up $10,100 and then you're at the end of your 30 days and you didn't even make it to 8%. Well, as long as you are above 10K, And as long as you didn't break any rules, then you can have a retry. And you have unlimited retries too. So, but yeah, as long as you don't break a rule. They also have an extension, so you have the option to do an extension, but here's the difference. The retry, they're going to clear out your balance. You're going to start from the beginning. But the extension, you only get 2 weeks. So I'm assuming someone who would take an extension would be someone who like, let's say you're like 1% away. Let's say you're 1% away. You're right there. You're 1% away. Maybe you'll take the 2-week extension just to get 1 more percent. Versus someone who barely made 1% and it's at the end and they'll just get a whole retry. You know what I mean? So it's really going to determine how you feel. You know. But I think here's what's I think if you get the extension, I don't think you get another extension. So it's probably better to just do the retry, because then you can just keep retrying. You know, dancing and hopping, everything with the good music. That's funny. Agnes, good morning. Tony, coffee where I am at least. Thank you so much, Tony. Appreciate that. Macia, good morning. So on GJ Trade, nope. Right here, $14 on the GJ Trade. Yeah, so these arrows, for those of you not familiar with MT5, these arrows show you the previous trade. So I could even go on my phone. I gotta sell this phone for $20K since it has a MT5 on it, huh? Let me go to GJ. So if I pull up my phone on GJ, let's see if I can show you. You're gonna see the arrows. If I'm logged into this 5K account on my phone, you see the arrows? I don't know if you can see it in the camera. Try to hold it steady. I'm going to 1 minute. Can you see the arrows now? I'm on the 1 minute though. I know it's kind of hard to see it. I got something else to share with y'all. Hopefully I can share it with y'all by the end of the month. Hopefully. Should be able to. We'll see. Why can't I get this thing on my phone? Oh, so topic of the day, we do have in 40 minutes. I brought my iPad to the desk today. So I got something we're gonna discuss. All right. Just a heads up, it'll be at 8 o'clock if you're new to the stream. Good morning, Paquita. I see you. Nice playlist. Thank you. Live in this community. Wish I would have found you guys sooner. Thank you for what you're doing. No problem. Good morning, folks. I already hit my goal. You nice. You already hit your goal. Nice. Yeah, I think at this point, I am pretty much waiting for that news probably. Hi, Macy. I see you. You know have a case for iPad? Yeah, I do. It's outside the case right now. I ordered a case and I don't really like it because it's kind of bulky. And it was supposed to be thin, so I don't know what's up with that false advertisement. So I'm gonna have to get a new case. Hi Trevor, good morning. Hi Sam Dollars, good morning. How do you measure the pips on MT5? You click the scroll wheel in the middle of your mouse, and then you right click and you drag like that. News at 10, yep. Any pointers on how to start a FX YouTube or Instagram? Start. Gotta actually start. You should sell the phone as Lynn's merch. That's funny. So GJ made a lower high here, which makes me think we are kind of doing this thing, huh? On gold as well. Let's see, gold. We got about a little less than 5 minutes to go on this 15-minute candle. Hi Veronica, good morning. What's up, Michael? Oh, it's your birthday? Yeah, HBD Michael, y'all. Can we get an HBDM in the chat? HBDM. Nice, y'all. Nice, nice, nice. I feel like I need that one anymore. Got about 30 minutes to the question of the day. Today's topic will be the 4 common reasons why Forex traders fail. That's what we're going to be discussing. 4 common reasons why Forex traders fail. It's a little article I found here. Passed your phase 1. Nice. Thanks to gold. Ended up a little over 125k payout for my Forex funds. Now just waiting for the free dough to hit my account. Let's go, Rue. Let's go. Remember I said if you want to do... I mean, you're the first member to hit 100k. So, you want to do an interview on the channel? I'd love to do that. First member to hit 100k, y'all. That's Rue right there in the chat. You're up. Nice, nice. Aiming to be within the top 5 for 100k. Let's go, Frankie. Who's next? Who's the next member, y'all? Who's the next member to hit 100k? Who's it gonna be? It may be Frankie, it may be WJ, it may be King, it may be Antcore, maybe Michael. Who's it gonna be? Trevor? Maybe Trevor Weathers. She may be up next, y'all. Maybe it's Alexander. I don't know. Who's it gonna be? Last payout was 47k. Woo! Let's go. JT said I'm going after that. Yeah. May not be next month, but I'll be there soon. There you go, Lorena. I'll be there soon. Gonna be one of them for sure. Let's go, King. Got Forex Ninja here too. Tay Squeeze, I see you, fam. Ordered my first book today, early days, but went in there. That's a promise. Oh, by the way, members, I posted in the announcements, if you missed it yesterday, what your badge colors mean, because there is a theory behind your badge colors. I don't want y'all just paying for membership and not progressing. The point of you paying for the membership is to invest in yourself, right? So we want to make sure that you are progressing, you know. So I put a little table in there so you can keep track of your progress as a member, to make sure that you're holding yourself accountable, right? We want to make sure that you're pushing to the next level. You know, like when you play a video game, the point is to beat the level and conquer the game, right? To get to success. So you don't want to be playing a video game that has no level. That's just endless, right? What's the point of playing a game with endless levels? There's no point, right? So, you know, check that out when you do get a chance. Actually, I'll post it here. Actually, no, I'm not gonna post it. I'm gonna keep it in there because we have some stuff up there. Let me see. Yeah. So if you join the Discord and you're a member, it is the last thing I posted, which I don't know why. I posted this morning's thing in the announcements instead of live notifications, so that's my fault. You're gonna get a notification right now. It's just me moving the video here. No worries. It's the same link. I'm just moving it over. Come from Vietnam. Good morning. Ajan, good morning. $100K off of a 100K account in a month. that would mean that he made 125% in a month. So I wouldn't say that that's it. He probably has a 300K account. That wouldn't make sense. I know y'all be seeing people flip accounts to 100% in the month, but that's not realistic. The people that you see flip 100% accounts are not up here calling out live trades in front of you, are they? Come on. As you're funny, you mentioned last week that the military folks usually do well. Golf War veteran here. Ah, you're a veteran. Yeah. It's all, yo, I'm telling you, it's always anyone who is coming from the military or who goes to the gym regularly, anyone into like heavy fitness and stuff like that, are typically the ones who are very, very successful, not just with trading, but typically in trading, yeah, but also with everything else. But that's, like I said, because they understand discipline. Shout out to Gio. I gifted Gio a one-on-one last week. We had a one-on-one yesterday, and I'm gonna compare Gio with the same person, I forgot who you were, that we talked to on the mic last week. I talked to you last Friday. I forget who you were. I think it was Jeremy that we talked to on the mic last Friday. But both of you kind of very similar in a sense of like, we kind of dug out those little bit of habits you have. It's like, hey, try this. And you both kind of like, yeah, I know I do this, but... So it's like, you know what's keeping you from being successful. And then you have the but, B-U-T, you got that word but. And you're still choosing to do things. So, you know, every day that we wake up and we choose success, right? Every day that you wake up and you choose to eat bad things that are bad for your body, you're choosing to put that in your body, right? Don't get me wrong. We live in a world where people are happy, depressed, you know, mad, sad, glad, excited. You know, there's different emotions going on. And a lot of people are miserable about their lives. But people who are miserable about their lives is because they're really comfortable being where they are. You know what I'm saying? Anyone can change their life. And I'm not talking about people who can't help themselves. I'm talking about you, who you have the freedom to get up. You can walk by yourself without no help. You can drive a car by yourself without no help. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking to you. You choose every day. You choose how much work you want to put in. You know what I'm saying? So it's like when people choose to be in unhealthy relationships, you choose to stay. So you got to wake up from that dream and actually ask yourself what you want to do. You know, ask yourself, like, do I want better? Do I not want better? It's all a choice, y'all. And that's when manifesting comes in. I didn't magically become successful. I worked for it. It's not magic that I know how to trade. I worked hard for it. It's not luck. I worked my butt off. And I kept going even though I kept failing. I kept blowing accounts. I kept over leveraging. I kept over trading. You know? It's not magic. So if you're on this journey and you decide that you want to keep going despite the failure and you want to keep pushing for it, then you will eventually get there. I find it funny how so many people keep asking what to do. Totally wrong perspective. I come here, but I always take my own trades on my own decision. I just like to hear a different perspective. Right. Right. Exactly, Rue. You get it, Rue. You get it. It's all mindset. All mindset. What's up, Los? I see you, Los. Ain't stop until it works. There you go, Luke. See, that's the mindset. There you go. No problem, Jack. I got you, Jack. The bank zone indicator available on TradingView? If so, what's the publisher name? The official zones are available on TradingView for you for free. The official zones on MT5 are not available yet. They're not. I got the software. Not available yet. I will decide when it's time to release it. If anything, the members, of course, are getting it first. That's first and foremost. But I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep the TradingView for free for the public, and I think we're just gonna keep the MT5 one for the members, and we're gonna keep it that way. Makes sense. What's up, Dave? Do you use a regulated broker? Yeah, I got a regulated broker too. Yep. Filled with energy, I can feel success in you. Nice. Yeah, you know, you gotta just believe in yourself, you know. Got to believe in yourself. Don't worry about what other people think, because other people may try to talk you out of trading and stuff like that, or maybe not just trading, just other things you want to do, but you just do what you want to do. If you believe that you can successfully do something, then it really shouldn't matter what other people are doing, you know. Good evening. What's up, Gaming Artifact? I see you. What's the challenge? 5K to 50K? It's exactly what you typed. 5K to 50K. Or are you asking why we're doing it? Why are we doing it? Because no one else has flipped an account live on YouTube before. That's why we're doing it. Oh, I'm sorry. They show it, but they don't actually show every single trade live on YouTube. Like, there's none of these trades are taking off a stream. Every single trade is taken live in real time. For those of you who say, I never seen you take a trade out on a live account. You see it now, or are you blind? What's up? What's up? We're up $600, $660 on this teeny tiny account. Could have just spent this at Gucci or something. I could have just spent this at Louis or something. Listening to you build my confidence and decision making. Good. Good. You gotta have confidence. Definitely gotta have confidence. Love the transparency. Thank you. What's up with that 15-minute imbalance? Well, like I said, it is. I do see it. But I do keep in mind that we do have NFP this week. So I am expecting a lot of consolidation this week. We got good movement last week, but yeah, we will see. We'll see how this goes. Love the honesty and noble mentality you have. Keep going. Thank you, Serge. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you. Love the transparency. Thank you. What's up, liquidity? Flat on GJ. What's that mean? Wait, is that a new trading term? Flat? Let me know in the chat if anyone knows what that means. Flat on GJ. What's that mean? Flat. I'm really sitting here trying to use context cues. I can't think of flat on GJ. Does that mean it's like dead? Does that mean like there's no volume? Like it's flat? Like there's no volume? Is that what that means? Let me know in the chat if you know. Looks like it's gonna be a long grind. Yeah. Well, for this, it's gonna start off slow and then it's gonna pick up the pace. So it's gonna start off slow because we're using smaller lot sizes, and as we raise the lot sizes, you'll see that we get to the next goal a little bit quicker than the last goal, and it's just gonna pick up. It'll pick up the pace. You'll see. Now, instead of us making $50 to $100 a trade, once we start making $200 to $500 a trade, you'll see that it'll start picking up. Flat means doormat. Sideways, I guess. Think it means consolidation. That would make sense, huh? Flat means close position in stocks. Daryl, good morning. Flat is an in pattern, goes up and down, back to the same level, basically a range. And Elliott has a range broken into waves. Ah, okay, so we're talking about the range. Gotcha. Thank you. You say you think you're going to go with the 5K because it seems easier than the 10K. There's nothing easier about it. You're going for the same target. So for the 5K, you have to make 8%. For the 10K, you have to make 8%. The drawdowns are the same. So when the percentages are the same, you're doing the same amount of work as you're doing to pass the 100K, to pass the 200K, to pass the 300K. The percentages are the same. They didn't change. So you're doing the same amount of work, same amount of trades. The only thing that's different is your lot size, which is irrelevant, right? Because it's all about the trade you take. When you take out a trade, there's other people taking that trade too, but some people may make more than you because they got a bigger lot size, right? Or you may make more than someone else because you have a bigger lot size. So you're taking the same trades. It's just difference in lot size. So don't stoop down to the 5K if you could afford the 10K. You know what I mean? You know what I'm trying to say? Right, yeah, I agree with Luke. Yep. You got it, Luke. Learn more about the 5K. Yep. Learn more about lot sizes. Yep. Yeah, those of you who, if you're confused about lot sizes, I always say to make a table in your notebook or in Excel or Google Sheets. That way you don't have to remember, if it makes you feel more comfortable. But definitely don't force yourself to take a challenge when you're not ready, right? It's kind of like you taking a driver's test when you don't even know how to drive a car, and you don't know how to drive a car, but you're gonna go and take the license test, and it's like, come on, you can't be mad at nobody else but yourself. And even if you do magically pass, you're gonna lose it anyway. You're not gonna be successfully doing it. If you can't successfully be consistent before you take a challenge, you're not going to magically become profitable after passing one. You know what I mean? It's like people who get married and think that the problems go away. Just because you sign those papers don't mean those problems are going away. Do you have a university degree? Yes, I have a few. Let's check on gold. We are getting close. We are getting close towards the open. me change this. Did it load? Oh, it's going by 500. All right. How come it won't switch over? It's a heck of a day, huh? What's your favorite instrument? Before I would say GJ, but I think I really love gold. I don't know. I'd have to say it's between gold and US30. Probably gold. Let's go with gold. That's my favorite, I think. Let me drink some water. Waterlands, like the candle colors are cool. Thanks, versatility. My broker doesn't want to see me rich. What? No, it's not your broker. It's you. It's not your broker. Don't put your problems on other people. It's you. You don't want to see you rich. Every time you make the decision to over leverage, you don't want to see yourself rich. Every time you over trade, you don't want to see yourself rich. Right? You. Y-O-U. You are the problem, not the broker. Highland Jones trade, go GJ. It's in the title, y'all. But yeah, pretty much, yep. Favorite instrument or piano? Ah, y'all are funny. How do you join a Discord? Isn't the link? Didn't you have to read the link that's pinned to the top of the chat to type? It's in the top of the chat. It's also the description. Wait, it's not pinned there, chat? Let me refresh. Let's go to YouTube. Is the link not there? Because I did press pin. Let's click on this. Yeah, it is here. It says pinned. So you should see it pinned to the top of the chat here. Discourse pen, thank you, y'all. Sorry, I just seen your message. JT. Good morning, Jasper. Are you waiting for buys? We're not waiting for anything specific. We're just waiting for a setup. I think it will be slow till 10 o'clock. Maybe it'll go up for the news. I mean, we have a strong area there to fill out. Oh my goodness, it is freezing in here. I'm gonna have to put on my heater. Shoot. My goodness. I'm about to put my hoodie on. Oh. Got me shivering? Or I should go get my blanket. Chantel, good morning. What's up, Susan? Good morning. Don't usually trade Mondays. Usually slow for me. What's up, Frankie? I don't look at Monday and Fridays as slow. I trade them the way I trade any other day. I used to when I was new to trading. Patrick, good morning. Mama Dada, good morning. Set up on US30. I haven't checked it out yet. Love what you just said. Waiting for a setup. I try not having a bias. Focus on setups and get out. Yeah, there you go, Marco. Yep. Yeah, you know, like I said, it's all mindset, right? Our mindset is what keeps us from being successful. You can study trading all you want, but if you're coming into it with the wrong mindset, then all that studying is a waste of time. You know, so those of you coming into here like buy or sell or, you know, that's not the right mindset. You may think, Linz, I'm showing up to a stream every day and I'm asking buy or sell, but that's not the right mindset. So you're really wasting your time. You see? So when we say work hard, we want you to work smarter, not harder. You know, work hard, but work smart. Working smart is just to get here and try to understand what's going on. Right now, we're waiting for a setup. There's veteran traders that don't trade Monday and Friday. Yeah, but I mean, that's just caring about what people do. And me, I don't give a damn what other people do. I really don't. And the only reason that stigma is out there is because people hear it so much. People hear it so much. That's why they all do it. If it wasn't a stigma to be out there, everyone wouldn't do it. You know? And it's mostly new traders coming in saying that. And they're just saying that because that's what they heard. You know? It's the same thing like when I first started, you know what the stigma was when I first started? When I first started, the stigma was to stay away from US30 and NAS because it's crazy. That was the stigma. So like all the new traders who were like new that I knew around the time I started, everyone was like, oh, stay away from US30, stay away from, like they treated it like it was a disease, you know? And, but really they were scared of the volume. They were scared of, you know. So it's interesting how over the years it flipped into US30, big money, US30, big money. You know, now that's kind of the stigma. You know what I mean? So there's always going to be a new thing out there that people follow. The best thing you can do, I'm trying to make US30 my best friend. That's funny, Damien. Hey, go do it, you know? The best thing you can do is just form your own opinion on things and not worry about what other people do. My thing is DE40. Oh, yeah, you trade that? Nice. Nice. Gareth Eli, you asked the same question 3, 4, 5 times. So now you're going to get banned from the chat because I already answered you twice. Learn how to open up your ears and listen. It's not that hard. I believe that to be actually successful, you need to prove your subconscious that what you're doing actually works, and to do what you have to take your own many times. Yep, you got to believe that what you're doing actually works. Yep, that is true. Absolutely. Because if you don't believe in what you're doing, then you're just manifesting yourself to fail. Most of you know the answers to everything. You just choose to not do it, you know? Morning. Happy Monday. What's up, Brian? Hope you're having a great morning, Brian. Price action is price action every day except Saturday. That's right, Wealth. That's right. Today, gold target, question mark. Today may be the day you may want to change your mindset into reading gold, right? Because if you knew how to read gold, you wouldn't be asking about the target. So it's probably best that you spend your time studying these candlesticks. Well, leverage, this leverage on this account is 200 leverage on this one. Best platform for a beginner, whichever one you choose. You got to stop asking people what the best thing is. It's kind of like asking what's the best car, right? Everyone's going to have a different opinion, you know? So it's really what works best for you. Again, when you ask people what's the best, you're asking for their opinion. You don't want no one's opinion in what you're doing. You need to learn how to choose things for yourself and go about your business. That's holding you back from being successful, right? The multi-millionaire guy at the top isn't waiting around to ask, oh, okay, what are we doing? What are we doing? Right? No. He's figuring that crap out. He's on to the next. That's why he's at the top. Ethiopia in the house. Oh, wow. Wow. Why do so many people believe you can't make a living off of trading? I don't know, because I don't worry about what other people think about. Try that. I truly don't know, don't care what other people think. That's why I'm at the top, because I don't care what other people think. People think that you're gambling because you're trading. You shouldn't really care what they think. Wow, you're right. I know I need to backtest my strategy. You gotta stop being lazy. How long does it take to be profitable? The correct question is, how much time are you going to put in to make yourself profitable? That should be the real question. Torn between resigning from work and concentrating full-time on trading. Well, the only way for you to resign from work is if you're actually successfully trading, right? If you're not successfully trading, then why would you resign from work? That makes no sense. Does that make sense to you? It's not that hard. What leverage do you recommend for a $500 account? It doesn't really matter. I mean, I have 200 leverage on this one, and 200 leverage is plenty. Honestly, it's more than enough. So 100 leverage, 200 leverage, it's plenty. The only reason why people think they need more than that is because they're trying to flip an account overnight, and they're never going to do it, because that's not the mindset, right? Having a get rich quick mindset is going to keep you broke. So you don't want to have that get rich quick mindset, you know? So I think 100, 200 is fine. Any advice on beginners for books? Yes. Number 1, read Naked Forex. Number 2, read the Candlestick Bible. Number 3, read the 10 Times Rule by Grant Cardone. Work that you're doing, no one does it today. Hats off, appreciate that. What's up, Liquidity? I see you. Good morning, Giovanni. You're from Uganda? Oh, nice. A lot of questions today, yeah. But at least these questions are more questions we can answer. I was talking with a guy who paid a ton of cash for someone to pass his challenge. I asked him why he did. He wasted his money. If you don't know how to trade, you're still going to blow your account. Yeah, it's kind of weird. It's like people think that, oh, I'm going to pay someone to pass my challenge, or I'm going to pay someone to trade for me. So you think that you're going to get a whole bunch of money? Like you think you're going to make millions and just live in a big mansion and have a fancy car by someone else doing hard work for you? That's not how the universe works. I hate to tell you, but that's not how the universe works, you know? The universe rewards people who work hard. So And it also rewards people who spread positivity. So if you're out there spreading positivity, and if you're out there working your butt off, then you're going to eventually make it. But if you're one of those people out there trying to pay for someone to pass your challenge, you ain't gonna make it. You ain't gonna make it. GG's. Google should be your best friend. You're right. Yes. Google's definitely your best friend for questions. I had a professor that told us that a long time ago. He said if we never figure out how to answer our own questions in Google, we'll never be successful, and he's right. Alright, so we're gonna do the question of the day, y'all. Alright, so the topic of the day today is... Oh wait, hold on. Do I hear that song? Beyonce's on, hold on. Nah, but okay, seriously though. Okay. Sorry, I was getting my iPad out here. All right, the 4 common ways, or the 4 common reasons why Forex traders fail. Number 1, they don't listen to the market. So some of you have that stigma of, oh, it's a buy, it's a buy, it's a buy, it's a buy. And as much as price can show you that it's not a buy, you still stick with that stigma. So we can have an analysis to the best of our abilities, but when the chart is showing you that it's breaking lows, closing below wicks and all that other stuff, and just really showing you that market structure is shifting to the downside, why are we keeping that bias of buys? You know, so number 1 is they don't listen to the market. Okay. Number 2, I like this one. They don't enjoy trading. I love this one. I love this one. I'm gonna say it one more time. They don't enjoy trading. Some of you are picking up trading just because, oh, I want to make some money, or oh, I want to do this. Don't get me wrong, of course we want to make some money, but some of you don't really like trading. You have to truly enjoy it a little bit, at least, to actually get into it. You know what I mean? Like, tell me this. Put yes or no in the chat. Be honest. When you are changing the color to your candlesticks, do you like the way your candlesticks look on the chart? When you're changing the color, do you feel good about it? When you're seeing candlesticks move in your favor, do you feel good about it? Like, is there something about, like, looking at the chart every day? Do you actually like it or no? Give me a yes or no in the chat. Just be honest. Because there's people that don't like it. Okay, we got a lot of yeses. The best feeling. Looks at the best feeling. Okay, so that's good. So you're here for the right reasons then. Because I know people who don't like it. And the people who don't like it, they shouldn't be trading. Okay. Alright, number 3. This is number 3 out of 4. They set unrealistic expectations. Now, I had a one-on-one with someone yesterday who was setting unrealistic expectations. You can't set an expectation to make 50% of your account a day. That's not a realistic expectation. You know what I mean? So make sure that you fully understand lot sizes. You fully understand, how do I say? Make sure you fully understand lot sizes. Make sure you fully understand how to calculate things, because if you don't, you're gonna have unrealistic expectations. This is not a real trading platform. Yeah, you can get banned just for that mindset. Look, don't come in here spreading negativity. I get it. Your life is miserable. I get it. You're broke. I get it. You don't like your boss. I get it. You're in a bad spot right now. I get it. You're lonely. You're going to the internet trying to find an outlet. But look, we're not here for you. I hate to tell you, we're not your friend. We're not here to be your friend. We're here for business. We're here for business purposes of learning how to trade. So if you're looking for friends, you're going to have to go somewhere. You're going to have to go to another stream because we don't do that bullshit over here. So go be lonely and miserable somewhere else. And let me keep the people who want to be successful. The people who want to be successful, y'all stay over here. Because that's who we're here to help. Not people who are coming in here and being negative. Get on with your broke self. All right, number 4. They rather be right than actually make money. So I'm going to say this one more time. They would rather be right than actually make money. So there's so many of you, like I said, that we're having one-on-ones, and it's like, I tell you something, like last week, someone got a little pissy because we told him you're not going to be successful if you keep with that mindset. You know, he got in his feelings, he got emotional, became a crybaby about it. You know, we're not here for the crybabies. But if you ask someone who's successful for advice and you hear that advice and you're like, I'm still going to do what I do, then it's because you rather be right than make money. It literally says it right here. It says it right here. Okay? I'm reading the article. But it's true. The decisions that you make are the reason why you're still stuck, right? Don't you feel stuck where you're at? Aren't you tired of waking up where you're at, dealing with what you're dealing with? Aren't you tired of being paycheck to paycheck? Aren't you tired of not being able to do what you want? Aren't you tired of not being able to have freedom? You don't have no freedom because of the decisions you make. So you have an opportunity to ask me for advice, and you still decide to go along with what you want to do because you want to be right. It says it right here. That's exactly why you ain't got no money. You know what I'm saying? So that is what it is. Your decisions is why you broke. So ask someone who's not broke how they get there. That's how you get to a new level. You gain knowledge from people who know what they're doing. You ask people who know what they're doing. That's how you get somewhere. So don't be mad when you hear the answer of like, damn, I got bad habits. Maybe I should change that. You shouldn't be upset about that. You should be like, you know what? I got bad habits. Let me change that and see if that works. You know what I mean? It's not, you know, when myself or another trader helps you and you find that you have a lot of bad habits, it's not to put you down. It's to get you to stop doing those things. You know? But if you're going to get butthurt in your feelings, then it just ain't for you. Hey, Sabis. Welcome to Super Supporter. Let's go. Welcome. You got to put your ego away when trading. Yes. There you go. Thanks for the book suggestion. Just got the PDFs. We'll dive into it. There you go. See? There you go, Aurelio. You heard something, and then you said, you know what? I got some good information. Let me try it. That's how you become successful. You hear advice, and you're like, let me try it. That's the mindset. Because a lot of people heard the books I mentioned. They didn't go look it up. So for the people who did look up the books, there you go. That's the difference. You thought I was feeling you? Tamika. Greg, what's up, Greg? Good morning. The market's not going to care if you get your feelings hurt. Facts. Marcus said, oh, my money now. Facts. And neither will the world. The world doesn't care about your feelings. So you got to either suck it up. I don't know what to tell you. I really don't know what to tell you. The world does not care about your feelings. The person you walked by on the street does not care about your feelings. You know? You got to really understand that. So you need to learn how to boss up, and it shouldn't bother you. So that was a good question of the day. Pretty much in the same spot here on all these pairs, which is why I haven't really said too much. See a lot of things he says in that book. Well, then it must be true. It must be true. That's the other thing. When you hear multiple people who are successful say the same thing, then it's probably a good idea to either write it down or, you know, take it into account, you know. No, just ban mods. Just ban. No nonsense today. We're not doing no bullshit today. Just ban. No timeouts. Straight bans. There's no timeouts today. Actually, I'm going to see if I could remove the timeout button. Thank you. Hello from Germany. Welcome, welcome. Welcome from Germany. No mercy it is. Yeah, no mercy. No mercy day. So what is it? 8:14. We got about 1 hour and 45 minutes. Read my message. Oh, yeah, I know. Thank you. I just read your message. Thank you. What's the title of the Greg Cardone book? The 10 Times Rule. Let me take you over. This one. The only live streamer who doesn't want you to subscribe to comment. Loading background music, appreciate that. Yeah, yo, so like I said, it's going to be choppy until 10 o'clock, I believe. So you just gotta learn how to be patient, man. Y'all can't be spamming up, buy, sell. You gotta really get that patience down, because that's what's hurting you, honestly. Y'all see me calm every single morning. I'm really just waiting on US30, to be honest with you. I don't see anything on gold. I don't see anything on GJ. Hope everyone has a great day. Thanks, Demetra. Look at that positivity in the chat. Can you turn down the volume? Is it too loud? Wait, the music volume, or is my microphone too loud? Which one? How about some poker? Oh, goodness. I'm tired. I don't know about that. Wait, let me know. The music too loud or my microphone too loud? Can we play Wordle? Yes. Absolutely. Let's do it. Let's keep our minds fresh while we're waiting. I spelled that wrong. Don't look at that. Oh my goodness, I spelled it wrong. Okay. All right, y'all, you know how this works. You're gonna have to give me a 5-letter word. Let me zoom in for you. Oh, there we go. Thank you, Almighty. I just seen your message. I just seen your message in the mods room. Thank you. Rue, they donated $100. Oh my goodness, Rue. Thank you so much, Rue. Really appreciate that. For those who don't know, Rue is the first member to make 100K, y'all. First member to make 100K. And I want more of y'all to do that. We need more. More. All right, let's see. Apron. Event. Okay, event's calling my name. I don't know why. Let's do event. N and a T. Interesting. All right, y'all. So there's a T in the word, but it doesn't go there. Someone just... Wait, what? Never mind. The message is gone. Yo, y'all are at 100 today. What is going on? Okay. Wait, I said your name wrong? Wait, it's not Rue? Oh my goodness. I am so sorry. How do you... Wait, how am I supposed to say it? If it's not Rue, it's got to be Ree? Is it Ree? Train? You said train? I'm so sorry for pronouncing your name wrong. Does anyone know how do I pronounce Rue? Like oi? Oi? Chat, I'm American, chat. I don't know what these words mean. What language? What? All right, let's see. What's this gonna be? Let's try trade's not gonna work because there's no N. Roy. Is it really Roy? Is it really Roy? Wait. Are you Oh my god, y'all are laughing at me. Wait. Is it really Roy? Like R-O-Y, Roy? Trend. Ooh, trend. I like that. Even though we know that the E don't go there, but it's okay. Alright, we ain't getting nowhere now, y'all. We ain't getting nowhere. Roy E is the pronouncing. Oh, row E? Like row your boat? Row and E? Roy. Is that it? Y'all are trying to make me say things that aren't right. Let me ask Rue himself. Roy is the English version. Oh, okay, so Roy. Oh my god. Why is it so hard for me to say that? Is it the English accent? See, now y'all saying no. See, the chat is saying no. Green. Roy. Yeah, like Roy, right? Like Troy and Gabriella from High School Music, like Troy, like Troy, Roy, like that. Is that right? Are y'all trolling me? I said it right? Y'all know High School Musical, right? Yeah. He played Troy. So like if I take the T away, it'd be Roy, right? Is that how we say it? Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna have to hear him say it, because then it's just let it go. So just let it go. I'm gonna let it go at this point, because I really don't understand. Oh my goodness. No, it's Ralph. Oh my. Okay. Now I know y'all are playing around. You said the word is stunt. Is it stunt? Is it really? Ooh, okay. You're close. Just Google it. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Wait, because sometimes. Hold on. Let me put you over here. Wait, how do I ask for it to say? Let me take off my caps lock. In English. Oh, my fault. The music turned off too, y'all. What happened to the music? We were jamming.
The Shopify online store has some amazing new
There's an
features
ad?
that give you the
What?
flexibility to make creative.
I am so sorry for pronouncing your name wrong. Wait, where do I get the Google Speak at? Because it's not popping up. It's not doing it, y'all. It's not popping up where it'll say it. That's tough. Well, let's go back here. I'm gonna pop the chat back up. Play some High School Musical now? Oh no. Call his parents and ask. Oh my goodness. We need a workshop on Spanish pronunciation. Oh my goodness. All right, so what are we doing with this word? Stink? It could be stink. Wow. Okay, we're almost there. Well. Wait a minute. None of these letters really make sense. What the heck? Sting? If it's not Sting, then I give up. I'm telling you right now, if it's not Sting, GG's. There we go. All right. Thanks to y'all. W suggestion on the stink, because I don't think we would have got that far. Nice. Good job, y'all. All right, let's go back over here. You said look at gold. Wow. That's cute. That's cute gold. 19 pip wick. Are you trading or playing games? We're playing games, so you might as well leave the stream and never come back ever again, because we just wasted your time. Don't come back. And make sure you dislike the video on your way out too, because like We wasted your time. Don't click on another stream ever again. I'm gonna actually move this up here. There we go. Alright, yeah, so I'm just moving this up here because it does look like gold is strongly headed up towards this resistance. So, hey. It's a big liquidity grab. Just looking at the 30. I'm gonna keep it like this for now. What's up, Paul? Lovely goes fine. Oh, are y'all in that? Let me know in the chat if you're in that. Love the music. Appreciate that, Vereen. Good morning, Vereen. You're my new hero, Alexandra. What's up? Patience is key, like a line in a brush and a bush. I'm gonna assume line in a bush, right? Thought news was at 10. Yeah, news is at 10. It is at 10. Now I know this is Asia highs over here. So we just tested Asia highs. Oh wait, someone said news in 30 minutes. I'm gonna assume... Actually, I don't know what news they're talking about. That's in 30 minutes. I have no idea. Because the ISM news is at 10 o'clock, so... Yeah, I don't know what they were talking about. Said Fed speech. Oh, let's see. We're at Asia highs now. Let's see how she behaves here. Nah, that Fed speech, that's not gonna do much. Whatever it's doing now, it's doing what it's doing. But I don't believe that speech is going to do too much. I believe the speech at 10 o'clock, well, not speech, but I believe the news at 10 o'clock is going to do something. You cannot use Henkel Trade in the UK. Nope, not in the UK. Stream just popped up on my feed. Happy you did. Not familiar with your strategy? Yeah, I got you. The quickest summary I can give you is that I'm a breakout trader. So I trade breakouts. So you're not really going to see any indicators up here. I pretty much look for areas that price needs to fill. Other than that, that's kind of the most I give out here. When I have a setup I do the morning analysis in the morning, every morning. And I go through it step by step on what I'm waiting for. After that, we just kind of wait for a setup. But I do have plenty of videos on my channel, like plenty of 1-minute videos that show our different trades, so you can see like what we're setting up for, what we're waiting for entries, all that good stuff. So yeah, if anyone's new, I'm gonna recommend when you go to the channel that you click trade recaps and breakdowns. There's 37 videos here. These are all short videos. All these trade recaps and breakdowns, these are all trades we've done on stream. Anything that's like broken down here, it's just like a recap. So you can see the different trade setups we have. Or you can always go on Twitter. My link is down below in the description. You can always go on Twitter and you can see different trade setups. I don't post everything, but say this was last week. This was last Thursday, US30. This was GJ. I got the MT5 version. And I got the Trading View version. That was on stream, so. But yeah, check out my Twitter and you'll see the trade setups. It'll probably look a little bit better if you watch these. I don't post everything up here, but again, all these are all on stream. I just keep on going, huh? You can go all the way to last year. I was trading here too. So yeah. Oh, we're done with the Wordle, huh? Those of you who are new here, this was the month of September. We started this account on September 7th. So this is just us keeping track. We ended up the month with 12.9%. So now we're on our new month of October, okay? So you can see all the wins and losses there in September. All right, let's come back over here. Also, if you're new, before you get confused, this is our trading plan, risk management. You can find this in the video I uploaded yesterday. But you're gonna see we started with 2,500 cash. We did the Henko trade bonus. You sign up with Henko trade to give you a matching deposit bonus, 2,500, which equals 5,000 in the equity. So that's why the equity has the equity number, and then the account balance is how much we can withdraw. Now, the way that we get the bonus is we have to trade the bonus divided by 2. So if you divide the bonus by 2, you will get 1250. Okay, so that's why in this category we're adding up all the lot sizes here that we used. So all I did was take those lot sizes and I put it in this formula. So as we add up these lot sizes, it's gonna add it within our previous. So far we only used 13 lots out of 1,1250. As soon as we hit 1,1250 lots, we can withdraw that bonus. Okay, if you're asking, Lynn, do you have money? Why'd you do the bonus? Because so many of you asked me to, and that's what the members asked for. All right, so yeah, doing it to show you how it works. All right, boom, MT4. That was a quick summary for you if you're new. So like I said, the balance says 3,123. That's my cash. That's how much I can withdraw. And equity is right here. Shows the balance in the account, okay? Because if they showed the balance as the full equity, then people would be like, oh my God, I can't withdraw that. Why can't I withdraw the 5K? It's because you didn't reach the parameters yet to withdraw it. Make sense? Cool. Cool. All right. Your channel is just what we needed. Appreciate that. And as I promised, every single trade for this 5K to 50K is only taken out on YouTube. I'm not taking out any trades on this account off of YouTube. So every single trade is taken out on YouTube, whether it's in New York stream or an Asian stream. And we do Asian stream for the members. Okay. Mods, are we moderating mods? Alright. On that note, only members can speak. Only members can speak now. Too many of y'all coming up over here with some BS. Man, if y'all are not about being successful, if you're not about making money, then don't waste your time over here. We're trying to help people become successful. We're not here for you to cry out your feelings and be a crybaby. You can go vent to someone else's stream about your life. We're not here to... Yeah, right? People are being weird. I don't know if y'all see all that, but... I do see the stuff that YouTube's holding back here. We're here to help people. So, members only for the rest of the stream. And the chat. Alright, so we got about an hour and 20 minutes left. As I said earlier, I'm not really expecting too much right now till 10 o'clock. So, you can see GJ is still in the same range. So yeah. What's up, Jason? Good afternoon. How you doing, Jason? Hope your morning's going well. Oh my goodness, I hear that wind outside. Jeez, it's already too cold. Hey chat, my hands still feel like ice cubes. Oh my goodness. It's really that cold. Wow. Hello, winter. You like it better this way, less noise? 5% buying, 5% selling, 90% waiting. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty accurate, huh? That's true. That is true. What I'm going to do is actually, I'm going to switch you over to TradingView. We'll do an analysis on US30 while we're waiting. Oh, members, I got something to show you. I think in like, probably towards the end of the month, members. I got something for you towards the end of the month. You're going to see it first, and then YouTube will see it after. But I got a little surprise for y'all. We got Thanksgiving coming up. We got Christmas coming up. So I'm thinking about maybe doing like a cash giveaway or something like that for Christmas coming up. And we got like 2 months left, so I think maybe we'll do like a Forex Jeopardy or something for the members. You can do like, you know how like Jeopardy, you pick the categories with the money on it, and you get the question right, I'll give you some cash. What y'all think? Forex Jeopardy? Ashley, welcome to the official fam. Welcome, welcome, welcome. That sounds fire, yeah. Make some tea to warm you up? Yeah. I probably should, huh? I'm trying not to eat or drink anything because I plan on having a big breakfast this morning as soon as I'm done here. Okay, so the daily on US30 is looking bullish. The 4 hours looking bullish. Everything's looking bullish, right? But same thing like I seen on gold and GJ this morning. It's like we are looking bullish, but we are coming up towards a resistance, right? So you can see this resistance right here. I know you see this, right? So that's there, but I want you to notice we have liquidity here. We have liquidity here, right? So things like this give price a hard time as it's trying to push up, right? It's gonna give price a hard time. So I do recognize that it's there. So I'm just showing you that's there. I'm gonna show you on the 1 hour now. But I mean, you can see it a little bit more in detail now, how all these wicks keep being all testy. right? We had a reversal here, reversed to top side, reversed here, right? So like I said, all that stuff does give price a hard time. Overall though, let's get some zones up here going. I could see price heading towards this resistance zone. Okay, so maybe not all the way up here, but maybe I can see it getting to here at least. It's about 200 pips away, so not too bad. Let's go down to the 30. When you go down to the 30, you can really see this kind of like broken up a little more, you know? So that's just me just separating the two resistances. Go down to the 15, and that's when I'm really going to correct my zones here. So the only reason I'm putting this here is because we had like a minor resistance here. So this is just me keeping track of what price is doing, right? So if we're looking at price, we consolidated, we ranged up here, we're still moving, but we're above this resistance point, right? So now I'm just looking, okay, if we fill out this gap, what's the next resistance? Next resistance is right here. We fill out this gap, what's the next resistance? Right here. So right now I'm just pretty much keeping track of price. I don't see my personal setups, but as I told you, I am waiting for the news today, so that's kind of where we are with that. We do have NYSE open coming up in about 45 minutes, so maybe we may see something for that, but other than that, I don't see too much. Okay, so I'm gonna leave US30 the way I have it. So there goes that zone. There goes that zone. And there goes that zone. And just move this over a little bit. Okay, there we go. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much how I have it. We wait now, right? Now we wait. I'm gonna zoom out so you can see all that. There we go. Forex game show sounds ace, yeah. UV11, good morning, good morning. Looks like US30 trying to go up to 29,200. 4 hour looks clear. Let's see on the 4 hour. Yeah, I mean, it could. It definitely could. Let me just, I thought I just saw something. Let me go on Trading View here. Thank you, Ens, for always looking out for us. No problem. Looks like US30 trying to go up to... Oh, wait, I read that one. Checking Trading View Pro and Pro Plus details. Can't find any reason for me to go for Pro Plus except intraday exotic charts. If you tried them, can you give me your opinion? Tony, I have the Pro. I have the regular Pro version. I think the Pro Plus gives you more like more indicators on your chart, more this and that. Like, you don't really need all that. So I just say keep it simple and just stick with the Pro. That's what I would say. Hi, Tina. Always love it here. Sup, Alexander. Have Pro just for the replay feature? Yeah, same here, Luke. Best investment I ever made, because look at me now. You know, when I wasn't profitable, I was questioning it. I was like, do I pay for Pro? Do I need it? But yeah, ended up going with it. No regrets, because I'm here now. We can check out gold as well. One second, chat. I just gotta look for. Okay. No, I'm really gonna put. I have like this desk heater that I bought last year, and I was streaming with y'all. And we're gonna try it out again. One second, y'all. All right, y'all, I am back. I tried them. My level of knowledge didn't allow for me to gain any value from them as I went back to the basic. The replay feature, 20 alert, and the custom time frames were all I personally needed. TradingView offers a better discount prices on Black Friday. There you go. Get US30, go. US30, go, go, go. It's up 49 pips. There's an MT3 each called Bar Replay, which is supposed to emulate what TradingView does. Haven't tried it out yet. It's not a recommendation. Gotcha. Is that Stevie Wonder? Yup. Yup, it is. Oh, MC4. Gotcha. A while back when I was blowing accounts and ran out of money, I took a loan to get one final 200K account because I believed I could do it and just needed to adjust my discipline. Result, I made 47K. Boom. Boom, boom. That remix of All I Do is way too smooth. Previous 15-minute on US30 looks like a clean break. Did anyone take it? Good question. Did anybody take this? Not me checking out. You gotta be confident. Let me just see. What was the last time this news dropped? September 1st, August 1st. Don't mind me, y'all. I'm just looking at the last time the news dropped. I was just curious. Let's see what gold's doing. Dropping down. Okay, gold. What's GJ doing? GJ's in the same spot. Oh my goodness. Tired of checking on GJ today, huh? Took a buy stop on NAS about 20 minutes ago. Stop loss in profit. I was in 28,805 last night. Wish I would have held. I was expecting for it to go fill those gaps. Lack confidence. So why didn't you put in a trailing stop? Is my question. You know? That's where I pressed sell on gold and Asia high and it didn't register. Ooh, yeah. That's tough. Choppy anyway. It's choppy. You're not missing out on anything. Worked out just under 1%. Oh, 28,802 to 29,006. Wait, you got 200 pips? I count that right? 200 pip or 200 points? How did you get less than 1% for 200 points? Unless I'm counting wrong. Good thing members only, but I'm in prison, so trade off my phone. There shouldn't be any members asking me if there's news. There should not be any members asking that question. Members should be, I already know how to answer that question. Okay, you took H early. Okay, I got you. Because I was wondering, I'm like, am I reading that wrong? It's okay, Pop Score. We got you on our back. We got you. All right, it's 9 o'clock, y'all. Man, I hope that we conquer this at 10 o'clock. It's a long wait. Will the patience be rewarded today? That's the real question. What was that music? I don't know. It sounded like the Chipmunks or something. I don't know what that was. It sounded like some chipmunks. It's crazy. It sounds like Mickey Mouse singing. What's up, Lucas? So tell me this, chat. Tell me, what did you do over the weekend? Let's chat it up while we're waiting here. What did you do over the weekend? Let me know. Hung out with the in-laws. Oh, nice, nice. Play with my 3-month-old niece. Aw. Good morning, Brantonio. Helped with my bro's business. Ooh, okay, business. Sleeping. Okay, sleep. Getting up to that rest. You bought your 100K challenge. Let's go, King. Let's go. Good luck to you. We're excited for this one. You take your time. Just go trade by trade. That's all you gotta do. Study made 3 beats. Oh, you make beats? Okay. What's up, Phil? Tidied up my shed workshop. Was then struck down with major toothache. Oh, yeah, toothaches are painful. Hope you feel better. That's really tough. That's why I'm behind in the works. Ah, I got you. Studied US30 and US100. Oh, speaking of workshops, yeah, those of you in the Discord, to my members, make sure you check out the events. Our next workshop is going to be tomorrow at 12 p.m. doing some back testing on ISM service news. We got Asian stream tomorrow. We got Asian stream Wednesday. FOMC back testing Thursday. And Saturday. We got back testing. So yeah. The FOMC back testing. Actually, I'll let y'all vote now. So here's the thing. Tomorrow we're doing back testing at 12. But if those of you need FOMC back testing to be later than 12, I can move it because I want to make sure we're accommodating for everybody, because I know everyone can't make the 12 o'clock back testing. So we're going to keep tomorrow's session at 12. But for Thursday's session, for people who can't make the 12 o'clock one, do you want it to be later on? Let me know in the chat. Like, do you want it to be at 6 o'clock rather than 12, or do you want me to just keep it at 12? Because a lot of people have been showing up at 12, so I don't know, maybe I figure it was a good time. Home renovations, ooh. Had a date with TradingView and a lot of coffee. Yeah, I like that, Luke. Watch Think Like the Market Maker and chilled with the wife. Ooh, okay, well. She might be my new favorite rapper. Oh, Glorilla. Spent my weekend bag testing and reviewing your previous videos. Nice. Got a tattoo. Oh, what'd you get? What'd you get a tattoo of? If you want, you can send it into the Discord tattoo area. We can post it up here. Keep it at 12? Okay, I'll keep it at 12. Back testing, cleaning, errands. You know, I love that a lot of you are saying that you back test over the weekend. That means you're studying. I'm gonna drop my analysis. It's complicated. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, I'll pull them up. Your sponsored ticket, grab me up. See, this is why I can't go to the mods room when I'm on stream, because I'm gonna start laughing. Y'all are hilarious. Alright. Let me get back to what I was supposed to be doing here. You say you're dropping your analysis. Let me go. Ooh, Chris. Chris is here. What you do? You made a decent 1%. Okay. I see you doing your challenge, Chris. Nice. Good job there, Chris. Wait, Baka, is this your analysis? Oh, no, this was on the 27th. I'm on the wrong thing. You didn't send it yet, huh? Alright, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for you to send it. By the way, shout out to Chris for making 1%. Good job. We got Jim about to pass the evaluation here. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Like what we see. Tattoos. Oh, Don. Okay, this is the tattoo you got yesterday. Ooh, scorpion, right? Does this have to do with you being are you a Scorpio? What's the symbolism on this? Nice scorpion there. What made you get it on your hand? I'm curious. I always like to ask people what made them get their tattoos and stuff. I think they're cool. Ooh, nice. Very nice. Can't be as focused at 12. 6 is better. Move my gym time to 12 because I watch your stream at 7, which was my gym time. Appreciate that, Donzel. You know, Donzel, a doctor told me to leave workouts for nighttime. So as much as I do work out throughout the day, I try to leave it towards like the evening. That's your first tattoo? Oh, you got your first one on your hand? Haha. Got my first one on my arm. Nice. How was the hand? Okay, so the hourly is bullish on gold, and it looks like this candle might have been like the fake out. So we'll see.
Keep your sound on with your screen off and listen uninterrupted. Try YouTube Premium on us.
Looks like we may be creating some type of support here. So I'm just keeping an eye on gold. Turn these zones on real quick. You know what I mean? Looks like we may be creating an area here. So we'll just keep an eye on it. See how the candle closes. Tough it out, but the knuckles hurt so bad, I bet. Trend lines are red. Oh, you sent it in? Wait. Why can't I copy your image? Oh, this one's blurry. What happened? This one's blurry. Looks like you got a fib. It's hard to see. Hard to see that one, Baco. Candle closes in about 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Definitely seems like it's establishing some type of support here. I mean, you can watch it on a 5-minute too. So we could see price now continuing to the top side. Red box, the 4-hour imbalance. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, we are in a 4-hour imbalance. I do see that. Right now, we're reaching the top of that as we speak. About 49 seconds till this candle closes. Free gunner, yeah. Hashtag free YSL. Yeah, the link doesn't show up here. Wow, this candle done did the whole thing. 40 pips. And we closed above there. Look at this. Jeez. Right, yeah, we got about 15 minutes to the open. Trying to be as patient as we can for New York Open here. I know today's kind of a slow day. In Discord now. Yeah, I see what you see. So yeah, I pretty much see what you see. God of Leverage, welcome to the stream. Welcome. So we were right on the fact that this was creating another support here. The only thing keeping me away from this trade is it would have been an impulse entry. And I personally do like to have another confluence here. It's up like 30 pips. She's off the screen. The candle's off the screen. It's like the longer we wait, the more we're like falling asleep over here. Go to the moon, yeah. Glad to be a supporter. Appreciate you being here. Got that beat to go by. Nice. Asia high to us. Asia high close. Yes. Yep. Asia high close. Yep. That was beautiful. Took your trade and grabbed parts. Yeah. Good, y'all. Good, y'all. That means you're learning something from the stream. Yeah, I'm like trying to stay awake over here. No lie. Yeah, that is our typical trade there. It's alright. As long as y'all got it, that's all that matters. Made over 11K on my Forex funds today, 3K on my FTP, and just passed phase 1 on Alpha Capital 200K account. Nice. You using the trade copier too, so that it copies? Said, I'm trying to get this money. More. I'm gonna have to DoorDash some coffee. Yeah, I'm like, was it 9:20? We're just killing it, right? Styles pullbacks. Nice. Do you live in the US? Are you from the US? Are you from outside the US? Oh, what? You're old school? Oh, okay, you're old school. Well, I mean, once you set it up once, no, and I was helping the members, I think like 2 workshops ago, those who wanted to set it up. Once you set it up once, it takes out the trades on your other accounts for you. I'm like a sniper. Wait and pull the trigger right there. Oh, you're from Florida. Nice. Beautiful. Nice. You're about to go outside and enjoy that weather too. Ain't nothing like making 11K for the day, going outside to enjoy some nice weather. Trade copy is amazing, right? Yeah, I love it. Because all I got to do is whatever I trade here, it just copies to my other accounts. So I ain't got to worry about anything. Now, at first, there's a few kinks that I had to work out there. But once I had everything set up correctly, very happy with it. No complaints after that. All right, 9:22, getting about that time towards 9:30 here. We are at a resistance. Just saying. Oh, now the bank zones want to work. We are at a resistance, so I may suspect price to come down a little bit and retrace itself. Got about 7 minutes left, y'all. Well, looks like it's kind of retracing itself now, huh? I do believe if price continues that we may be able to hit this area. So I'm gonna drag that out. Oh my goodness, I got the hiccups. Did you make a video on the copy trader? No, I didn't actually. I've been talking about them in the workshops. But I think the next video I upload perhaps let me talk about it. They make a copy trader account for motivation. Well, it's not free, so you don't want to do that. But it's called Social Trader Tools. So earlier London market made 5K using basic risk to hit gold. Just now I went double risk since I was up 40 times long Ethereum for $12.96. Looking for entry on NAS. Forgot to see earlier London music. Nice, Janice. Gotta leverage music's your style as well. Nice. Yeah, it's hard because this is the only one we can play with no copyright. So I'm gonna try to find some more that we can play without the copyright. I'm on the hunt. It's so hard. Like I told you before, the ones who say that you could use it, they be playing games and then they be claiming it. So it's like, you know. About 6 minutes. Just a heads up. Just waiting, y'all. 2 minutes left on the clock. $11K days in my future. You got it, Tay. That's what I'm talking about. Manifest it. Cater to India. Hello. Post a snip of the gold trades. You posted it in Yeah, you gotta post the charts in the chart areas. The chart areas, not the main chat. Chart areas so I can get it. So we got Forex pairs and indices, gold. Make sure it's in the right category there. All right, 1 minute to go, y'all. 1 minute to go. Story's really heavily rejecting on that hourly. So I'm gonna put my keys up here. So I want to see if we make a wick down and then continue to the top side. That's, why is that line there? It's kind of what I wanted to see. If we continue, so that's pretty much how I'm gonna look at it. I'll probably look at it on the 5 minute. So I just wanted to see if this was a pullback. Pullback or not. Let's see it on the 1 minute. This candle's looking like it may be rejecting the bank zone here. We never broke the high here, so let's see if we can. No, doesn't look like we're breaking that high. Looks like we're flipping the other way here. So just being patient. All right, looks like we're pushing down now. Just patience. Oh, we run out of music? So yeah, y'all, it looks like we're still gapping down a little bit here. But we definitely rejected that bank zone on the 5 minutes, so I would take that off while we watch here. But since we were trending up all day, I wonder if this is the pullback for the news. You know what I mean? Or for retrace continuation? Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. A retracement down to continue back up. So let's see. Let's see. Still coming down here. I know we're in a liquidity zone now, right? So looks like this could be an order block here, which I'm just preparing this just to bring that way up there. Delete that. All right. Let me see this on the 1 minute.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the girls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right at the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by.
Okay.
I just called a shorty up a fan star. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living on the bed.
Patience, y'all. Patience. ML filling on the 30. Yep. Just looking to see if we reverse here. We are at the bank zone right here. I'm just curious what NAS is doing while we're waiting. All right, we may be headed back up here. We closed bullish on top of a bank zone here. Let's see what this candle does. See if we can break the high of this candle. Will we break the high? Almost there. Let's see. Looking for an entry if we break the high here. All right. Stop losses there, entries there. Okay, so this is where I was looking for a pullback. We touched back into my gray zone here. So you can see we are in this trade. I'm gonna flip it to the 5 minute. You can see how we're pulling up here. We're up about 4, 5 points, 9 points, 7 points. Trying to see if we can get this 15 minute to start rejecting at this point. That's the idea of this trade. All right, I'm gonna pull the chat back up here. Crazy how I left an imbalance where I read you it previously. Yeah. We got stopped out here, so that was a good try. That was a good try. So minus 77. Gonna have to input that. So was that minus 1.5%? Let's see. Oh, that's the wrong date. $9.30 US30. What was the price here on US30? 29023. Closing was 28992. News, no. So I'm gonna leave the last trade of the day to be for the news. And this was minus 7.5. Or you know what? It does look like we're reversing right now. I actually may give this another chance. I may give this another chance. So I'm gonna give this trade another chance. Right about here. And since I'm giving it another chance, I'm actually gonna put my stops to break even. So now I don't have to worry about anything. Just because now I'm seeing this bullish candle, that's why I gave it another chance. Up about 20 points here. Sorry about that. I thought you were on this screen. My fault, y'all. I thought you were on the screen. So yeah, I saw this bullish candle. That's what made me give it another chance. Stops our break even because we lost the first time. And we're up 65. I'm going to close custom just to account for the loss we just had. So now I'm just going to let it go. So I just closed $46, and that's just to take back some of that loss since we just lost 1.5%. So again, securing some profit, well, securing 80% just to, you know, account for that. So we made $46. The rest is just gonna run now. I'm not gonna do nothing else. So I'm gonna put the $46 here. It's probably gonna change depending on where our runner is. Wait, was it 46 flat or was it change? Oh, it was flat. Okay, 46 flat. All right. So now it looks like we only lost a 0.5%. So let's let this runner go. Let's see if we can make a 0.5% with this runner and at least break even for today. All right. That's what the 15 minutes looking like. So that's what we were trying to catch the first time. We were trying to catch this wick rejection, 30-minute rejection as well. All right. Let me pull up the chat here. I'm sorry I missed a few chats. I'm sorry, y'all. Just concentrating. It's crazy how it left an imbalance right where you draw the area previously. Yeah. Did the same, nailed both entries. Nice. That's nice. Yeah, sorry about that. I didn't know you're on the spreadsheet screen. I'm so sorry. That's my fault. Jeez, we bleed blue, you know it. Alright, this is actually the new 5-minute candle, but it's also the new 15-minute candle. So I'm going to show you how the last 15-minute candle closed. It closed like this. The red is where we took 80%. The blue is, well, down here it's our stop loss at break even here. So if you want to see it on the 5-minute, that's what it's looking like. We're up about 50 points. 54 points. Yeah, I'd rather watch it on a 5-minute or a 15. Which one's better for you? 30-minute turns? Oh yeah, almost there. Come on, 30-minute push up. That's what we want. So I guess today's an example of giving your trade another chance. Pretty much right after it stopped us there, it kind of seemed like, oh. So if you look at my mouse, our stop was below this candle, so it kind of wicked down a little bit more than that candle. So if we had our stop a little bit more below that candle, it would have worked. We're up about 87 pips. Yes, sir. I'm going to close another 80% to account for that loss we had, because for me, I'm all about making up those losses. So made at least $74. So it's at least $3 difference here from what we lost. 74. And now we got the runner going. So now we really don't care what it does. So this is just me locking in profits to account for the loss we just had. Okay. Now if we didn't have that loss, I would just let this whole thing go, you know. But you definitely want to account, you know what I mean? Up about 86 points. Let me know if you're in this trade, or let me know if you took the second entry. Nice, nice, right, y'all? Nice. All right, you know what we got to do? We got to play that future track. 80 points is a lot. I think we earned our stripes here for the future track. Let me just get it for you. Let's pause that music. All right, here we go. Nice. Closed it at 3%. Nice. That's for everyone who got a bag today. That's for everyone who got this. One win, one loss. Nice. In it holding. Yep, just gonna let it flow. Our stop loss is way down here too. Our stop loss is in a good spot For us, at least. The best thing the news could do now is go crazy. Hey, if the news go crazy and don't hit our stop loss, hey. Go bullish, news. Go bullish. Do what you need to do. You know what I'm saying? Do what you need to do. We are here for it. Right, chat? We got 11 minutes to that news. We are all here.
Looking for the
90 points now. Keep her going. So we got her going at $1 a pip. So since we're up 92 points, you see we're up $9. Right? You see the floating profit down there because we closed 80% twice. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, let me turn the music down. I'm so sorry. Not the music sounded like that. Thanks, Lynn. No problem. Made 35 on that. Nice. Good job. Good job. Here for it. TV12. Let's see. Let's see. Took it on demo. Just made $1 on gold. Nice. Took the first. Was filling out the log. Missed the second entry. Have to leave it. Yeah, I left my screen open and I seen that didn't do too much. I left my screen open and I seen it close bullish and I was like, wait, I was right at my zone. Ten minutes. Nine minutes. Happy to see people winning, right? Yeah. USDJPY. Wait, you're a member? Hold on a second. Are my eyes to see? You are. What? Shorting US30 now at resistance. What was the first lot in the partials? It was 0.25. 0.25. Shogun, just make sure you shorting is in your trading plan, and those are the setups that you take all the time. If you're going to be shorting, those are the setups that you back test and that you take all the time, not just to take it. About 8 minutes. Seven minutes. Dang, chat. What we gonna do for 7 minutes? Let's do this. Let's open up the chat. And let's do a fire rapid round. All your Forex questions. Forex question, fire rapid round. fire out your Forex questions. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Roger that. 0.25. Still learning slowly to adapt to US30. Just watching how you're trading it first. Gotcha. Just made 8 points. Nice. Best advice for beginners: make sure that you are willing to put in the time to actually backtest and practice when the market is not live. Make sure you do that, because if you're not putting in that time, you're not going to get nowhere. Okay? Want to know everyone follows you and profits on these sessions. It sounds like you're looking for signals. So if you're looking for signals, then this is not the stream for you. So you might as well just go to another stream. Best book on psychology for traders. I have a book in the Discord called Smart Money Psychology. I think that's the best one. Done for the day. Nice. How much is a realistic goal growing a $100 account? Realistic goal would be $1 or $2, maybe even $3, because 1% is $1. So for people thinking they're gonna make $50 on a $100 account, I mean, that's 50%. So I don't know how much you're risking on a trade, but you know, say $1 or $2, anywhere between $1 and $5, honestly. How much should a beginner fund your account? As much as you can afford to lose. So it really depends on your finances. You know? So I don't know. I mean, you may make enough to put $2,000 in there. You may make enough to put $5,000 in there. You only may make enough to put $100 in there. So, you know, it really depends on how much you can afford to lose, honestly. Yeah, whoever is DMing me is getting banned. Read the rules. Alright, next. How many trades take a day? You should only take 1 or 2. 1 or 2. What do you think about retest? That's all I pretty much use, retest. I mean, slightly over 1% today. Beautiful, beautiful. Close everything down. Just watching for now. Did not want to be tempted. Nice. Good discipline there. Remember to read the FAQs. Yeah. The key to being successful is to use your brain, right? Use your brain. Learn how to read. Learn how to look things up. Because the majority of people don't. You know, it's not even that they don't know how to, it's that they're too lazy to. So if you're going to do trading, or if you're going to do anything that you want to master in life, you can't be lazy. You think that the universe is going to reward someone who's lazy? No. You got to work for it. So learn how to read and y'all be okay. Put in that extra work, because someone else out there is reading. They ain't waiting, they're reading because they want to be successful. They're hungry for success. You know, if you find yourself being lazy, you're not hungry enough for it. You don't want it that bad. You know? Ebony, welcome to the official fam. I see you. Welcome. Did you read any books about trading or mindset in the middle of Trading in the Zone? Yeah, I read Trading in the Zone. Maybe like 6 months ago, I read Trading in the Zone. I think someone put it in Discord. But yeah, I've read a lot of books. I read a lot, so I definitely read a lot. You know, a long time ago, when I was looking up things about what are habits of millionaires, what are habits of successful people, stuff like that. You know what always came up? Reading books. And I would get frustrated because I'm like, what do they mean read books? Like, okay, read books, but that doesn't really help me, right? But now I get it. I get what they're saying. I finally get why they kept saying you need to learn how to read. I get it. I woke up. So y'all gotta wake up and learn how to read. That news isn't finna drop. It's finna drop less than 2 minutes. Just so you know. Less than 2 minutes. All right. Trailing stop was hit. So we're totaling $74. So I'm just happy that made up for the loss, because to me it's about conquering your losses. So I'm just going to put that in the spreadsheet here. I'll fill it out a little later. All right, that news is about to drop. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Wow. Stopped us out and went straight up there. She is moving. 100 pips in how many seconds? Jeez. Reading requires effort and dedication. Yes, yes, yes. When scaling up risk management, what point do you determine scaling up? Good question. I'll show you right here, actually. So for this 5K, for those of you who are new, this was the month of September. We ended up with plus $600, plus 12.9%. So if you come over to a trading plan here, this is our risk management. So over here is our lot sizes. So when it comes to increasing lot sizes, for us to reach 6,000, we're going based off of 0.5. So you'll see that we use 0.50 for our trades, or if we're trading US30 and NAS, we use half of that, which is 0.25. Once we hit 6,000, our next minor goal is going to be to reach 7,000. And what we're going to be doing is changing our standard to 0.6. So half of that would be 0.3. Okay, so that's how we're going to be. This is us increasing our lot sizes. And then once we hit 7K, we're going to be changing it to 0.7. And then half of that would be 0.35, right? So, yeah. And then same thing right here. This is our lot size increase. And this is the plan to reach 10,000 right here. Yeah. Hopefully that answers your question. Right, US30. You stayed in. Wow, look at her go. 157 points. Our first entry was lower, so our first entry, it was just a stop loss If our first entry stop loss was 5 pips lower, we would have been fine. And this wouldn't have stopped us. That's tough. Oh, let me, I'm sorry, y'all. I didn't update the spreadsheet for the daily for you. Okay, so remember that's September. We're down to October now. I didn't fill out everything here, but let me at least fill out the percentages because that's what's important. So 0.29 minus 1.55, and then what was this one? 1.48. We're keeping track. So we're up 0.22% for the day. So basically kind of broke even. I guess you could say it's pretty much at zero. So that's where we're at for Monday. We're going to end off Monday that way. There's no Asian stream tonight. Tomorrow's Tuesday. Tomorrow we'll be doing an Asian stream. Okay. So I did have a Fibonacci here. So that's how I got that gray zone on the other screen here. We were close. We had the right idea for this trade that was going to pull back to that area. Our area was just off by a little bit, well, by a lot. So when your area is off by something that moves a lot of pips, of course, that makes a difference in being stopped out. But we definitely had the right idea here. So it's all good. We're going to come back to the drawing board tomorrow. So I will see you beautiful people tomorrow. Make sure you come through. Stay off the charts. Appreciate all the new subs, appreciate all the new members, appreciate the subs who've been here, appreciate the members who've been here, appreciate Rue. Shout out to Rue. If you missed it earlier, Rue is our first member to make 100K. Thank you for the dono as well, Rue. Appreciate the donation. So I want more and more members to be successful. I want more subscribers to be successful. We're moving in the right direction, so let's keep it going. All right, thank you for your time, y'all. Make sure you spread positivity, and I'm out. Much love.